Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the vacuuming and mopping mode on the VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and then make sure that your vacuum cleaner has been connected to the app prior to this, and then we're going to click on it on the device. And now click on the three dots on the top right. And right here in the function setting section, you have the mopping and vacuuming and mopping mode. So here you can change two modes. So there is S-shaped mode and there's Y-shaped mode. So S-shaped mode is more power saving, and Y-shaped mode is it has a better quality of mopping. So we can choose any of these modes, and once you're done, you can head back and start the cleaning. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.